Why organize your Google Drive?
Efficient file organization in Google Drive saves time and reduces stress. With a clear structure, you can locate documents quickly, collaborate more easily, and prevent duplicates. An organized drive also helps you focus on what matters, keeps sensitive information secure, and ensures important files don't get lost.
Start with folder structures.
To create a logical folder hierarchy based on your needs. For example, group files by projects, years, departments, or topics. Start with broad categories, then add subfolders for specific items. This structure makes browsing intuitive and supports both personal and team workflows.
Use consistent naming conventions.
Develop clear, consistent naming rules for files and folders. Include dates, project names, or other identifying details. For example, use 2024 Budget Report or Marketing Plan Q1. Consistent names make searching easier and help sort files chronologically or by subject.
Take advantage of Google Drive shortcuts.
Shortcuts let you access the same file or folder from multiple locations. If a file is relevant to more than one project, create a shortcut instead of duplicating the file. Right-click the file and choose Add Shortcut to Drive. Then place it in any folder you choose.
Clean up and maintain regularly.
Set aside time to review and declutter your drive. Delete old or unnecessary files, archive completed projects, and update your folder structure as your needs change. Regular maintenance keeps your drive manageable, ensures you find what you need, and prevents digital clutter from building up.